Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the English class. Dear children, as you know, this whole month we have been doing the grammar portion. We have completed with common noun, proper noun. Along with that, we have also gone ahead and finished our different sentences, and how to punctuate those sentences is what we have completed. And we have also gone ahead and done a lot of sentences and the practice of those sentences. So what we are going to go ahead and do today, dear students, is we did complete the sun and moon in the grammar book as well. Only this page which I had told you, I hope you have gone ahead and completed the complete sun and moon page and done with the reading of the you know of the different sentences. Also, I hope you have cleared corrected this, and I told you, can cats fly? No, they can't. So please make sure that you're practicing your grammar and at least writing 2 sentences in your copy. apart from this apart from this, we do have few important topics that we need to be taking in the coming days and in the coming classes. But today is an important topic. It talks about punctuation marks. So we will be watching a small video telling us how these punctuation marks are important for us and how they completely change the meaning if they are not used properly. So let's quickly watch this video.
Capital letter and full stop. Look at the following sentence. The girl is playing the piano.
Let's look at the sentence first. The girl is playing the piano. Can you see capital theta? When I informed you, every time you begin a sentence, the first letter is called the leader. First letter is called the leader. And the leader is always capital. When the sentence is over, we add a full stop.
Now, notice the beginning and the end of the sentence. Here the word the starts with a capital letter because it is the first word in the sentence. The sentence also ends with a full stop because it states clearly what the girl is doing now. Thus we say that a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop.
So, same thing that I told you, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and the leader is always capital as he's leading the line, as you all know, and ends with a full stop, which means the meaning is complete.
The pronoun I is written in a capital letter wherever it appears. For example, Amit and I are brothers. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter.
This I had even taken it during our discussions, that any proper noun, like your name may be Amit or Aishwarya or Rani, it has to be with a capital letter.
For example, she gave the book to Kamlesh. Here, the word Kamlesh is a proper noun as it is the name of the person. Question mark. Now, look at this sentence. How many cookies did you eat? This is a question. Notice the symbol used at the end of the sentence. It is called a question mark. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. Let us look at a few examples. What color is the dog?
Quickly look. Most of the questions will begin with what, where, how, when, कब, कहाँ, क्यों, किधर. and will always end with a question mark. Whenever it is a question, it ends with a question mark.
Will you play with me? Comma. Look at the following sentence. My favorite fruits are apple and banana. Here, there are only two items to list. Apple and banana. Now, look at the following sentence. My favorite fruits are apple, banana, and strawberry. Here, there are more than two items in the list. So, we use a comma for separating them.
That was an added information. For today, what we require is knowing about how and where we put the full stop and where the capital letter begins from. That is all what we are going to do for this new topic called punctuations. Punctuations are your symbol of a question mark, symbol of a dot, okay, a capital letter. All these things are punctuations. So today we are going to read about punctuations, solve the worksheet on punctuations of capital letter and full stop. There are some rules of punctuations. Let's read it together and then I can explain you. Always start the sentence with a capital letter. As I told you, he, as you can see, likes to eat apples. Now, apples here is the common noun. It's not mentioned red color apple, yellow apple, green apple. So, common nouns are always in small letter, beginning in small letter. But proper noun or the sentence begins with a capital letter. Point 2, give a full stop at the end of a sentence. Example, she has a beautiful red bag, full stop. You can see it here. This means that the sentence is complete, and adding full stop means your letters are not going to run away or fly away. Remember it like that they're not running away. So you have put them, okay, this is the rule. Use a capital letter to write names of people. Proper noun. I gave Rahul 2 pencils. Okay. Use Rahul is a name of a boy, and as you can see, it is written in capital. Use a capital letter to write names of places. They stay in Mumbai. When you write Nagpur, N will also be capital. Now, use punctuations, that is capital letter and full stop, in the given blanks. The bus, example, the bus is going very fast. So what will be the correct punctuation? Capital T and full stop. The bus is going very fast. We will do it together. I is small, like to play football. One rule, wherever I is coming in beginning or in the between of sentence, it has to be capital I. Please write I properly. I like to play football, full stop. Correct? Let's go down. Rohan is a good boy. So we have to write the full name. Please use cursive writing. R O H A N is a good boy. Full stop. Mrs. Soni is sleeping. So M will be capital when it is beginning. RS will be small. Mrs. Soni is a name again. Full stop. And Soni, Soni. Soni is sleeping. Sleeping के बाद there will be a full stop. Check whether the given sentences has punctuations. Capital letter and full stop. So we have to check the punctuations if they are right. Then put a tick. If not, put a wrong. Ram lives in Mumbai. So Ram is a proper noun. R is capital. Mumbai is capital. So this is also right and full stop is there. This is a correct sentence. Put a right. The cat is sitting on the wall. The, as you can see, is small, is wrong. So which means that this sentence is written incorrectly. Okay. My school's name is Bhavans. My school's name is Bhavans, which is correct, though there has to be an apostrophe S here. Nagpur is a big city. Oh, sorry, this is wrong. It is not put a full stop here. This is wrong. And there is also an apostrophe S. When we go to higher classes, we will do that. Nagpur is a big city. This is correct. Please erase this, the third one. You will have to put a cross here, and this is how we will be doing punctuations. Students, the reason for also using full stop is that we need to know where to stop while reading. It is almost like a short break. So always remember all these qualities and do solve the paper. It is a very interesting paper, some worksheet, something new we have learned, and part of the grammar. I showed you the grammar book in the beginning. I hope you have completed that much as well. And I will see you back in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.